is Dr. Speranza and welcome to my Math in a Minute. In working on percentage problem, all we need to do is to be able to translate English statement into a mathematical equation. What is 2x, of is multiplication, and is the equal sign. So if we have what is 12% of 50, translating it into a math equation, we'll have what is x, is equal sign, 12%, and 50 is going to be multiplied to each other. X equal to 0.12 times 50, and using our calculator, x is now equal to 6. So 6 is 12% of 50. 30% of what number is 63? Translating it into a mathematical equation, therefore 30% of 210 is 63. And this is how we translate or solve problems involving percentages. This is Dr. Speranza, and this is my Math in a Minute. Bye!